Well, it took a while, but I'll be damned. She came out. She's a little bit shorter because I just freehanded the back part here. It's not critical, but yeah. So the Gear Boss is 317, which is right on. The old one's Gear Boss is 316. So when we go to heat the gear up, it'll expand, and then we'll drive that guy on there. I still need to check how the ball detents play with the new bronze oil light bearing, but she's done. She survived, which is great. That was a major machining nightmare for me. I've never done anything of this sort before. And yeah, the detents are kind of deep there. I don't know if that's going to be a problem or not. We'll have to see what happens there. And yeah, I kind of goobered that shoulder up because I use a parting tool. But it shouldn't be too much of a problem because that's when it's engaged and it's in idle. So there's no real lateral stresses put on it when it's on that journal. It's just gonna free spin in the socket. So I don't think that's a terrible problem. But if it is, I'll go back and do it all over again since I can do it one time. And the first time's always the hardest. Actually, this is part number 3, so third try. I might still have to make some kind of a socket for when I go to smack it on the gear. This is a 1/2 inch bore back here, so I might need to make some kind of tooling to fit in there to press past the gear as an anvil and drift it through the backside of the gear, because we still need to flare out and swage out the extra. So I measured, and I think the gear is 300 thick. So this shaft is 350. So I'm hoping that's enough to swage out. It should be. Once it's on there, it's going to be on there. So I guess we'll find out if it works or not. I don't know. I've never done this before. This is non-blueprint work. It's all guesswork. So we'll see, but it's cool. She's ready to get ruined. So we'll see if we botched this job up, or maybe not. Don't know. Maybe it's already botched and I don't know yet. Sometimes it happens. But the new oil lights in here. So that's done. That nightmare's over. On to the next nightmare. And we'll see how it goes.